In this video, I'm going to show you how to use turn off room. Everything off in one tap. Turning off every device in a room shouldn't take multiple taps. With turn off room, one tap shuts down all switches instantly. Lights, fans, sockets, everything. No more leaving things running by mistake. No wasted electricity. It's simple, quick, and actually makes you switch things off when you leave. Now, I'll show you how to use it. Open the Home Automation app. Go to Devices. Tap Turn Off Room. Then tap Switch Off. That's it. All devices in that room will turn off instantly. One tap out, and nothing gets left behind. Thank you.